Demonstrate how you can use BookingHawk.com to sell private links to your recordings or your workshops. Now, the system is not optimized for this. You can use it for it right now. We're working on a better way, but so for now, this is the best we can do. All right, so you've got your recording. It's on a private YouTube link, so we'll just go to create new event or create new class. And then in here, we'll just put the title, so yoga workshop. And in the description, we'll say 90-minute workshop. You will be emailed the link when you complete your booking. So in the event location, now this is where we're going to put the link for our recording, for our private YouTube link. So we'll paste that in there. Now the date does matter. Unfortunately, for now, we need to have a date. So obviously it doesn't really matter what date you set it to be. The only thing to bear in mind is if you don't have your own Stripe account connected to the system, you won't get paid for any of the bookings or any of the recording purchases until after the date you select here. Now, if you wish to set it up, if you've got your own Stripe account, then this isn't an issue. But if you don't have your own Stripe account, you can set it up every week. You can copy it. So I'll demonstrate that shortly. The capacity is unlimited. So set the price. Let's say it's €10. And then we don't need any booking questions. And then in the confirmation email that the client will get once they purchase the recording, we'll just put the subject, and then we'll say here is the link for your recording. So we'll add it in here as well. So clicking on save, this recording is now available to purchase. So if we go to our customer facing page, we can see it here. Oh, sorry, wrong one. We can see it here. So yoga recording workshop. So the client can click in here, and once they book it, they'll be emailed the link. Fill out the details and click complete booking, data usage policy. So once the client does that, they're then emailed a link to the recording. So here we go, your recording link. So in here now I can see here is the link to the private YouTube video. So I mentioned that, you know, if you don't have your own Stripe account, you're going to need to do something to make sure that you get paid every week. So in Events Home, I've set that recording up to be for the 9th of May now. On the 10th of May, that will no longer be available for my customers to purchase. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, once the 10th of May comes around, I'm just going to click copy. And I'm going to change the date to be the following week, the 16th of May. So on the 10th of May, I'll do that. It'll mean my recording is still available. This one will no longer be available, but this one will. And it's the exact same link and everything that's going to be sent out. So for now, I think that's the best way to get around it. We are working on a better solution whereby you can add your recordings or other services that are not tied to a date. All right, thanks a lot.